Did you know that Deloitte is one among the big four? But what sets it apart is their strong purpose and culture that fosters shared values. It is their digital platform that they offer solutions to their clients with, and also the platform that helps in learning and development experiences. Hi, I'm Sriharshita, studying in Amrita School of Business, pursuing MBA Finance. I'm happy to share that I've been placed in Deloitte as a tax consultant. Amrita School of Business paved a path for me to get into Deloitte, like giving us aptitude questions and mock interviews so that we can crack all of this to get into Deloitte. Other than this, we also had alumni coming from various companies and industries to talk with us on how the industry is and what a company expects. I would like to thank Amrita School of Business and Deloitte for providing me with such a great opportunities. I would also love to thank my faculties, seniors, friends, and parents who gave me constant motivation and support throughout this placement journey. Thank you.